Okay, so what are we doing, guys?
Going over to
You're riding with us.
Farms. Heading over to Nate's house and going to check out the houses over at Farms.
Why are we going to Farms?
Because we're going to see Abigail and Haley's new lot that they're moving to over there that we might move over to in the future. That's shaking his head.
That's what? That's saying no, we're not.
No, you wanna.
There's a lot of things I wanna. Moving to road isn't one of them.
Mom, what do you think about this situation?
I'm just excited for the Krausens to get a new house.
And us too, right?
Well, I don't know.
I have a title for this.
Dad has a title for the vlog?
If the lottery comes through, hey.
Alright, Daddy Cub,
Okay.
lay it on us.
It's not Daddy Cub, it's Alan.
Alan Cub.
No, no Cub, just Alan.
Alan Covey. Okay, lay it on us. What's the title?
I'm trying to turn here. Hang on so I don't get killed. Or kill you.
The title is I'm trying to turn here so I don't get killed. It's a nice vlog title.
Okay, I think we should do our little Bob and Doug McKenzie special. All right, I'll just pretend like I'm Bob McKenzie. You're gonna be Doug, okay? No Bob and Doug.
No, I don't agree with this, eh? Okay, so we're in Beep Beep Farms. And it just passed the court sign. Or the Beep Beep court.
And then their lot's gonna be on the right. What is it? What's the number for it, Mom? 52 is theirs. Is there a little thing that's 52? It's like right over.
So mostly trees right now.
Just kidding, eh? That is probably their lot right there. This is probably their lot right here. But this is the area we were looking at house for.
It's pretty muddy right now, eh? Are we getting out, eh?
Yeah, if you stop talking Canadian.
Okay, so we're in the new neighborhood area. Looking around at the Crossings area. Or what we think is. So we're going to show you in a second. Is that 5-2?
This one for that other tank. Oh, just start.
So that's a cool tree, I think, in the background. Probably showing off his steak. I'm taking pictures. Patrick Cub. So Mommy Cub, what do you think? Mama Cub.
I think it's bare.
It's bare for now. It'll have a house on it soon enough.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool though, right?
It's wet.
Not all the way to that one.
I'm standing on the line.
Okay, so Mama Cub's standing on the line here.
I'm standing on the line. Hey, somebody stand on that line down there.
Stand on the line where it is, by the front. So that's... Hi Mama Cub. Say something.
Hi, this is where the Krausens lot starts.
Right? And then it goes where?
Way down there.
Way
Hold
down
on,
there.
Let me take a picture of you doing that.
So it's quite a ways down there. How many feet would you say that is, Mom?
My feet are small, so I don't know.
Too many to count, huh? 50 yards, Patrick. Yeah, it is.